viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series, and now we have to solve the last question, which is online stock span. We have already solved 74 questions out of 75, and now we have to move forward, which is online stock span. Okay, so in this question there is given you have to there is a design an algorithm that collect the daily prices codes for some stock and return the span of a stock price of a current day. The span of a stock price in a one day is maximum number of a consecutive days, okay, for which the stock prices was less than or equals to the price, okay. And then for example, if the price of a stock is a last 4 days is 7212 and the price of a stock today is 2, then the span is 4, because the starting from today the price of a stock was less than or equals to 2 or 4, which is the consecutive days, okay. And then also if the price of a stock in a last 4 days, which is 734 1 and 2, the price of a today is 8 and the span is 3, because the starting from today the price of stock was less than or equal to 8 for 3 consecutive days. You just have to implement the stock spanner class, okay. The stock spanner initialize the object of a class and the int next return the span of a stock price given at today's price, okay. So the input is stock spanner next, and which is 100 80 60 70 60 75 85, okay. And then you just have to check whether you just have to follow the algorithm, okay. So let's do this. First you have to create stack pair int which is st, okay. And then int span equals to 1 while st dot empty, okay. And st dot top dot first is less than equals to price, okay. Then you just have to do span plus equals to st dot top dot second, okay. And then you just have to do st dot pop and then st dot push price dot span. Then you just have to return span, okay. So let's run this code. Okay, there is a compiler error which is stack. So let's again run this. Yeah, this code has been accepted. So let's submit this. Yeah, we have got the congratulation badge, which is we have already completed the 75 questions of LeetCode 75. So congratulations to all that we have completed it.